revolutionary greetings, comrades and fellow Zimbabweans. Amalgamated Rural Teachers Union of Zimbabwe has just had its National Executive Committee meeting. I take this pleasure to call upon National and Central Provincial Chairperson to give us the resolutions that we had.
Good afternoon, comrades. Good afternoon, Zimbabwe. My name is Nixon Makupa, the Amalgamated Rural Teachers Union of Zimbabwe, Provincial Chairperson for National and Central. Today we held our National Executive Council meeting, and it was during this meeting that we came up with the following resolutions. Firstly, the National Executive Committee has resolved to work with the progressive forces in Zimbabwe to see to it that the constitutional amendment that has been made recently by the regime is totally reversed. Why we have resolved that a referendum should have been held in the first place, and some of the provisions that have been enacted in the constitution are not favorable, especially the one man, one vote. Secondly, NEC has resolved that the government should expedite the realignment of the Public Service Act with the Constitution of Zimbabwe, so that this can help to improve the working conditions of the teachers in the civil service. Then thirdly, the Minister of Finance is strongly being urged to urgently review teachers' salaries up to the tune of $1,260 a month. Now, we came up with this figure because ATUS made the Teacher Basket of Needs research and came up with that figure. And lastly, we strongly urge and warn the government of President Emmerson Mnangagwa to seriously consider the issue that they've made of amending our constitution, that they should seriously reconsider the decision and make sure that whenever the amendment has to be made, it has to come through a referendum, and the issue has got to be taken back to the people of Zimbabwe so that they speak their mind to what should be in that amendment of our constitution. I thank you this afternoon. That has been the resolutions that we undertook this afternoon. Thank you, Zimbabwe. Thank you, comrades. Viva ATUS, viva! Viva! Viva ATUS, viva! Viva! Abasha dictatorship, abasha! Abasha! Thank you.